The definition provides useful insight into phonology, but they differ in clarity and detail. Definition B is likely to be clearer to most reader because it is straightforward and focused on the key aspect of phonology, organization, and function of sounds, in which definition A is more technical, may benefit those with a background in which, but for general understanding, definition B is more accessible. Number 2. Phonology is basically the study of speech sounds from a cognitive perspective. In other words, phonology is used to study how the human mind works in two fundamental aspects, namely organizing and using speech sounds in a language. This is different from phonetic, which only focus on the nature of sounds. Number 3. An individual sound is originally as the basic unit of sounds as a phoneme. If a phoneme stands alone, it will be meaningless. For example, sounds P. What does it mean? But when it is used together or combined with other different phonemes, it can finally carry meaning. For example, it is combined with a vowel sound E and a consonant sound A. It's from a meaningful sounds P and pen, which mean an instrument used for writing. If we replace the vowel sound E with a vowel sound E, it will become pin, which carries different meaning. That is a thin piece of metal using expression for fastening piece of cloth. The example indicates the economy selling video speech that can have speaker to construct meaning. When replacing one sound with other sounds, the result is a different one which we can get either meaning or no meaning at all. For the example as well, we can learn that each language has a system of forming meaningful sounds in the form of or from combining phonemes. Number 4. From this point of view, the phonemes have addressed two patterns, namely contractive and non-contractive sounds. Contractive sounds refer to the pattern of phonemes organization in the pronunciation of a word, by which if one of the phonemes is switched for another sound, it will produce a new word with different sounds and meaning for the previous word. For example, the word say, it's pronounced say. When phoneme S is switched for phoneme T, it will make a new word day, which have different pronunciation day and meaning. On the other hand, non-contractive sound refers to the pattern of speech sounds organization in the pronunciation of a word, by which of one phoneme is switched for another phoneme. It will produce different pronunciation but still the same meaning. For example, the word tomorrow is pronounced tomorrow when phoneme E and switching for phoneme U, it will make different pronunciation tomorrow, which does change the word meaning. Number 5. The representation of contractive sounds pattern is minimal pairs. According to L.B. Yeager, E. and Witzman R.L., the concept of minimal pairs can be understood by three main characteristics, namely coincide the same number of segmental letters or alphabets, 2, trigger in only one segment, and the rest have different meanings. Based on the three main characteristics, a minimal pairs may be divided as two words which have the same number. of phonemics, but different in one phonemic meaning. Here is the example. Towards pin, pronounced pin and sin pronounced sin are minimal pairs since the two words have a same number of segments. Three segments, different only in the initial segment, normally segment P and S, and have different meanings, in which the word pin means a thin piece of metal with a sharp point at one end and a round hand at the other. Used especially for fastening piece of cloth where the word sin means an action or type of behavior which is believed to break the laws of good. The following example illustrates minimal pairs based on the perspective of segmental sounds. Consonant minimal pairs, for example, minimal pairs B and P, berry, B-A-R-E, and very, vowel minimal pairs, for example, minimal pairs E and A, wait and white. Number 6. On the other hand, the perspective of phonemic position refers to a way of constructing the function of the word based on the position of phonemes that we recognize in media as well as final minimal pairs. For example, initial minimal pairs. Minimal pairs F and P, face and pass. Medial minimal pairs A and R, puppy and puppy. And the last final minimal pairs K and G, peg and peg. Minimal pairs T and D, head and height.